Hi, I'm Dr. Rubina, gynecologist and an IVF specialist, and welcome to Grace TV. Grace TV is your own YouTube channel where we talk everything about gynae problems, we talk everything about fertility, we talk about IUI, we talk about PCOD, we talk about IVF. Now, the topic which I have selected today is failed IVF. An experience of failed IVF can be emotionally and financially devastating, and we all know that. But I would like to say only one thing, that don't give up. Pregnancy is still possible after a failed IVF. Pregnancy is still possible after multiple IVF failures. So I'm going to discuss about top 5 reasons of failed IVF. A failed IVF gives us lots of clues about the reason of failure and the steps we need to take in the next subsequent IVF so that we make it a successful one. So the number one cause of failed IVF can be the quality of the gamete. By gamete, I mean the quality of the egg or the quality of the sperm. If any of this is compromised, if the quality of egg is not good, if the quality of sperm is not good, the embryo formed automatically will be of poor quality. So the poor quality embryo is not capable of giving a successful pregnancy. Hence can be a very important reason for a failed IVF. Another important reason here is age. If the age advances, the quality of egg reduces. Number 2 can be the implantation failure. If the uterus is not good, is not healthy, and is not showing up good endometrium, good fluffy healthy endometrium, trilaminar pattern, and also has other factors like multiple fibroids, and all of these factors can be one of the reason of failed IVF. Number 3 can be autoimmune reasons. Autoimmunity means immunity against the body. That means the body itself is rejecting pregnancy. So these are the factors which are very important. And if in spite of having all the factors in place, still the pregnancy doesn't happen, in that case autoimmunity can be one of the reasons. 4th reason can be unexplained. 5th can be associated gynecological problems like hydrosalpinx, can be like endometriosis, can be tuberculosis. All of these reasons are one of the main factors for failed IVF. So we also cannot neglect the lab environment, the IVF lab environment, the experience of the fertility expert. So the previous failed IVF gives us lots of clues for the next successful IVF. So if you want to discuss your case and you have recently had a failed IVF, you can call us on this number and we will be more than happy to help you. Thank you.